Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make spinach and cheese omelette. So let's get started. I've got here 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, half a cup of chopped spinach, quarter cup of grated cheese, 1 small chili chopped, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, 2 eggs and some oil for cooking. Take your eggs, add a small pinch of salt and a small pinch of pepper and beat it well using a fork. Put a non-stick fry pan on medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of oil, turn the pan around to coat the base of the pan and heat it for 30 seconds. Add chopped onions, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add spinach and chillies, give it a mix and cook it for 2 minutes. Add beaten eggs and cheese and mix it well. Flatten it slightly and let it cook for 2 minutes or until the top of the omelette has started to set. Use an egg lifter to flip the omelette or take a plate and slide the omelette onto it. Now place the plate in one corner of the fry pan, tilt it slightly at an angle and flip it back into the fry pan and cook it for 1 minute. Turn the heat off and take it out on a plate by using an egg lifter or by sliding it on a plate. My easy spinach and cheese omelette is ready and you can serve it warm or cold on its own or with your favorite toast. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.